Okay, welcome once again to my channel, my home hacks. So today is another video on home makeover. So we are looking at how to set up the bedroom. I'm also looking at replacing old pillows with new pillows in the bedroom. So let's go. I want to transfer the old pillow into the new pillowcase. The pillow material, the pieces of foam inside is being transferred. I will remove the old pillow clothes. Yes, that's what we want to do. Okay, so the pillow material, we have plenty of them inside. Plenty inside. I want to remove all of them. So rather than throwing away the whole entire pillow or burning it, causing bad smell in the environment, polluting the air, we don't want to do that. So we remove the pillow cloth and then replace it with new one. Replace it with new one. So that's what we have. Did you know this? Okay, so I want to completely remove all the pieces of foam material. This is the pillowcase. Before we sew the mouth of the pillowcase or the mouth of the pillow, so we are using a new pillowcase to serve as the pillow cloth. So after sewing, we are going to have another pillowcase of that. Okay, so you can see that the pillowcase is bigger than the pillow cloth. So what we do, we fold it inside this manner. Fold it inside in this manner and sew it like this. We are going to sew it like this. Sew it like this, so it will form the pillow. Then we'll now put another pillowcase. Sew it like this. So that's it. So after sewing it, we have another pillowcase here. Okay, so it's been set up. Now have the new pillow there. The bed is set up now for comfortable sleeping. Alright, don't forget to like and share the video. Until another time, bye bye.